Hi, I'm Maria Fontanazza, editor of MedTech Intelligence, and I'm here with Michael Lohan from IDA Ireland. We're here at the AdvaMed 2015 conference. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the development of the MedTech sector in Ireland. Can you kind of give me some insights on what's happening there, and are there any challenges and opportunities that you're seeing?
Of course, Maria. The MedTech sector in Ireland is very strong. It's well established. It comes from the backbone of Ireland, I suppose, in terms of having a pro-enterprise policy for Ireland. And currently we have 13 of the top 15 medical companies globally have manufacturing or presence in Ireland, which is a very strong vindication, I think, of the policies which Ireland has adopted over the years. The workforce at the moment is 25,000 strong, directly employed in industry, and there's over 300 companies, including indigenous companies. So it has the benefit of not just being foreign direct investment, but also the indigenous base is very strong in Ireland as well. So it's an important sector to Ireland. Life sciences in total in Ireland is very strong. Again, we have 9 of the top 10 pharma companies in Ireland as well. So collectively, the life sciences industry in Ireland is very strong, and very strong in terms of the European context as well.
Okay, so you touched on the workforce landscape a bit. Can you tell me a little bit about their skill level, what types of positions that professionals have who are working in the medtech sector in Ireland?
Okay, so I suppose from Ireland, we have a very long track record of investment in education, and that comes from, if you want to call it, from the high school level on through third level education. And that's been the real bedrock on which we have built, I suppose, not just the medtech sector, but our technology sector as well, because both of them actually complement each other in terms of the skill base. So in terms of medtech in particular, we have a very strong complement of technical resource driven through our education system. And more importantly, what we've seen through the decades of Ireland's sector is that we now have a lot of people that have moved up into corporate positions. So Ireland has become a real source of resource globally in terms of the market as well, and in terms of the sector. And that's a very strong and positive messages for Ireland and our education system, number one, but also the talent that we have and the willing to adapt to new technologies and new markets as well.
Okay, and so when we're thinking about the United States and their investment in new technologies, new facilities, new manufacturing plants, what role does Ireland play in that landscape?
Yeah, well, Ireland play a very significant role. I think like a large percentage of our investment comes from US-based multinationals. Ireland's a key component within their global supply chains. A lot of activity in Ireland supports, if it's not global markets, it certainly supports their markets outside of the US, and they're key components within that. Strategically, they're placed in terms of serving the European market. Early entry to the market as well through our CE approval is a distinct advantage for medtech companies as well. So I think for strategic purposes, a lot of companies see Ireland as the gateway, into the rest of the world, and certainly that has been very, very successful from an Ireland perspective.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.